Yep, right here. Okay. Back up and burn again. No more leak. Alright, so our cooling system, no pressure, good to go there. Feel a little residual smoke here. Just from the remaining oil left underneath all over everything back here. Let that kind of clean itself off. Valve drain is perfect. There's our oil listing. Alright, so turn the air on. The compressor has engaged. We are operating. Very nice. So I'm going to run a little bit and see if we can get cool or not. Also make sure the engine temp behaves itself. One thing I noticed is we do have 10 gallons of gas in this thing. And we ain't got no fuel level sender action. So we have to get on there, see what's going on there, see if it's a connection here or down at the bottom. But this air is on and it is cold. Feels really nice. Yeah. Positive news. Alright, so we're running. We got the air on. Our expansion tank is expanding. Nice. I want to check because I was cleaning off a little bit where that oil residue was. Brake clean. I kind of went over the manifold with the stumpers, so I want to make sure we don't have any intake leaks. Oh, okay. That's cute. Yep. Wow. Induction leak galore, especially over here on the driver's side. So here's cylinders 5 and 6, super leaky. Yeah, that's no bueno. So we're just putting that out there so you know, Gary. Air's on. The oil residue is getting less and less. I did take a little crack at cranking those down, cranking those up on that valve cover. And what we'll be able to do is clean. I think our air is pretty happy. Very nice. Right. Got the air hooked up. Shutting off because it was too low on the low side. So that's what we're going to put there. Just add a little bit. Hey, there. Alright. That's about in line where we need to be with this ambient temp. Once we get to the third member here and in, where we can actually drive the car, will put it outside, hopefully on a hot day. We will verify our numbers and check everything out. But for right now, we're looking pretty good. Verify. Again, fancy tank. First job. Started with about here. Oh, about here. Perfect. Air on. We're inside. It's around a half hour now. It's icy cold in here. 10 gauge is sitting where she's supposed to be. So far so good.